I strapped on my gear, grabbed the camera, and headed toward the trail, the sound of water getting louder with every step. Twin Falls isn't your ordinary waterfall. It doesn't fall from the top of a cliff. Instead, it bursts out sideways from the middle of a limestone wall, pouring directly into the river. It's massive and powerful, the result of an old dam upstream redirecting the water in such a way that it now escapes through ancient cave systems. It's nature meeting engineering in the most dramatic way. Mist floated in the air as I approached. Everything around it was wet: rocks, leaves, even the dirt. I stood there for a while just taking it in. The force of the water, the way the light hit the spray and created tiny rainbows. It's one of those places that photographs well, but feels even more alive when you're standing right there.